Typhoid fever, also known as typhoid, is a disease caused by infection with the bacterium Salmonella typhi. The disease can affect many organs in the body and has the potential to cause serious complications if not treated promptly.
Typhoid fever or typhoid is a bacterial infection illness. It infects your small intestine or gut and causes high fever, stomach pain, and other symptoms. Typhoid fever is also called enteric fever. It is prospectively multisystemic illness that has been a public health problem, especially in the developing world.
The main cause of typhoid fever is the Salmonella typhi bacteria. This bacterium is directly related to salmonellosis, a different disease which causes a more severe digestive system infection than typhoid. It is related but not the same. Salmonella itself are motile gram-negative rod-shaped bacteria belonging to the Enterobacteriaceae family. Salmonella enterica serotype typhi will enter the submucosal region of the small bowel by either direct penetration into the epithelial tissue. The incubation period of the disease lasts about 3 until 60 days, transmitted commonly through consumption of drinking water and food contaminated with the feces of people who have typhoid fever or who are chronic carriers of the responsible bacteria. Some of the risk factors that can increase a person's chances of developing typhoid fever are childhood susceptibility to infection as their immune system is not fully developed, close contact with a person who is infected or has recently been infected with typhoid fever, and consuming food or water contaminated by feces containing Salmonella typhi.
Typhoid symptoms generally start 1 to 3 weeks after the body is infected with the bacteria. Signs include high fever, diarrhea or constipation, headache, and abdominal pain that may worsen over several weeks. 1. The fever is initially mild and increases throughout the day, possibly reaching 40 degrees Celsius. 2. Cold head. 3. Headache. 4. Weakness and fatigue. 5. Muscle pain. 6. Stomach pain. 7. Diarrhea or constipation. 8. Rash. And 9. Cough. Medical interview. The doctor will ask about the pattern history of symptoms and risk factor. Medical examination. The doctor will conduct a physical examination to look for signs such as the dirty tongue, enlarged internal organs, and rashes on the skin. Body temperature and other vital signs will also be checked. Supportive test. After the previous or two examination, the doctor will continue by performing supporting procedure. Some of these involve taking sample of the patient blood, feces, or urine. The fluid sample will be placed in an environment where bacteria can easily grow. The growth, called culture, is examined under a microscope for the presence of typhoid bacteria.
Vaccines are the best way to protect yourself from typhoid, but you should also take steps to avoid eating or drinking things that could be contaminated with bacteria. This is true both at home and when you are traveling. Safe food handling practices include: don't make food for others. If you are sick, wash your hands with soap and water before and after preparing food or eating and after going to the bathroom. Wash surfaces and utensils used for food prep and eating before and after use. If you are unsure whether the food you are eating is safe, eat mostly well cooked or packaged food. And don't drink untreated water or eat food prepared with untreated water. If you are unsure, it's safest to use bottled water to drink and cook with.